How to create an Apple ID on the web. Start by opening your preferred web browser and go to the official Apple ID website. At the top right corner of the page, click on Create Your Apple ID. This will take you to a registration form where you'll begin entering your information. Type in your first name and last name, then select your country or region. Next, enter your birthday and then type in your email address. This will become your new Apple ID, so make sure it's one you check often. Now choose a strong password. It needs to be at least 8 characters, including a number, a capital letter, and a lowercase letter. Re-enter the password to confirm. Then enter your phone number, which is important for recovering your account. You may see a CAPTCHA to confirm you're not a robot. Go ahead and complete that. You'll also see an option to subscribe to Apple News and software updates, but that part's totally optional. Once everything's filled out, click Continue. Apple will now send a verification code to your email. Open that message and enter the code on the website. Click Continue again, and you'll get another code sent to your phone number. Enter that code to finish verifying your account. Once done, click Continue, and your Apple ID is now successfully created. And that's all it takes to set up a new Apple ID on the web.